I am Dr. Nasir Ali, a university lecturer. So I am offering my tutoring services and LaTeX typesetting services along with the MATLAB coding. So over the 7 years, I have been here to help the students and the researchers to complete their work in clean and ready to publish format. So I teach the calculus, linear algebra and another advanced mathematics courses, and always try to explain the concepts in easy and small steps. So I also format the thesis and journal papers in LaTeX like IEEE, Springer and ACM. So I will set up a clean section, neat equations and correct references and fix the compiler errors as well. So you can also ask me to build some MATLAB script as well. One thing is to remember, I follow the academic integrity. I will tute, edit or format your documents, but I don't work for the graded things. So let's make the math and manuscripts easy to submit. Message me to get started. Thank you.